Why does your scanner show the P219B engine code? What does it mean? P219B is a diagnostic trouble code for the bank, to air-fuel ratio imbalance. Simply put, it indicates the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, has detected that the air-to-fuel ratio in Bank 2 is outside of the specified parameters. This could mean that there is too much air or too much fuel coming through Bank 2. This imbalance can lead to performance issues and even engine damage if ignored. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these 5 possible faults in your car. Fuel system issues, vacuum leaks, exhaust leaks, faulty sensors, faulty ignition system. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Audi, Citroën, Chevrolet, Ford, Hyundai, Nissan, Dodge, Volkswagen, etc. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.